Take 2. Again. Seriously, I've got one job. Okay, come back, Papa. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas!
Yes.
Dad's really confused because he's already said it once, but I got things wrong.
I was
So we're having.
before I started.
Okay, Kai, day 21. Oh, my poor little brain. That's 20. There it is. Right, this is your dog's. Yes, there. He's like, oh, I get more. Let's hope this day is successful. Oh, look at that little face. Oh, they look good. Ooh, oh, she's thrown them on the. Oh, the dust bunny's got that one. It's right under the thing. Don't.
Go on, here, go.
Yes, he is happy with these ones. Very happy. Okay, what's this? You did a good sit. I'm going to say hello to the peeps. Here we go. Is that good? Right, today 21. There it is. Good, hold that for me. Thank you very much. Black Forest Gatto, come on. Come on. Oh, yes! Even he's bouncing for joy. Yay!
Oh, is that the third one of them?
No, second.
Oh.
I am very excited by all the different flavours I'm getting to try, but I am missing my morning Black Forest Gatto. We're going to do day 21.
Where did I put the...
Under here. Memory like a sieve. Now I know where I get it from.
Yes. Pardon? I'm the one that corrected you.
I was talking about Mum.
Oh.
Oh, it's a long one. And it's got pins on it. Oh dear. Okay, we can do this. Day 21.
Day 21. Okay. The tank is full to the brim with the finest cosmic homebrew fuel. You're on the move again, but the engine sputters and spits a lot, and you start to spin more and more.
Oh, that's alright.
I'd better make a little emergency landing over there.
Klaus decides.
Then the machinery can cool down. Maybe I can make a few adjustments on the ground so that the engine can handle the new mixture better.
Okay.
He steers the spaceship towards the next planet as best he can. Through the window, you see a glowing red landscape, volcanic hills as far as the eye can see.
It seems to me that the place is extremely unsuitable for cooling off the machines.
You say. Klaus laughs dryly.
You could be right. This is Etna.
Oh, Etna. We've never heard of that before.
No.
No, not once.
No.
The fire planet. We need to activate the heat protection shield as quickly as possible, or the spaceship will melt out from under us. Unfortunately, the 3 levers required for this have broken off. I carved replacement levers out of wood. They must be lying around somewhere. Find the levers, then go back to the cockpit and use them on the 3 green areas. In order to install them, you have to pre-drill each one. I have the perfect tool for it.
I'm getting a push pin. Lovely.
Push pin.
Be careful in bold.
Yeah.
Be careful so that you don't hurt yourself. After that, you should be able to insert the levers with a little force.
You look at him perplexed.
And what exactly will you be doing?
Me? I urgently need to fortify myself before we fly on.
Answers Klaus,
Is he
and
hungry?
brings out one of the last sausage rolls from Tom's provisions bag.
When you work, you should take off what needs to be taken off.
He advises you with his mouth full.
The heat is already starting to penetrate the walls. You're sweating like a pig, so get out of those hot clothes.
Sighing, you start to take off your clothes. Klaus gestures with the sausage roll in his hand.
Don't just throw everything on the floor.
He shouts angrily.
It's not a pigsty. Hang it all neatly on the coat rack.
He points seriously to a kind of warning sign on the wall. He's finally losing it, you think, but an argument is the last thing you need right now, so you follow his instructions.
That is our coat rack, and there is door 21.
Yep. So let's get in there.
Oh look, push pins. Don't stab yourself with them.
No.
And levers.
Yeah.
And a volcanic planet. Oh, and a key. No, that's from another one. I was going to say that's exciting, but no, that's from an old day.
I'm fighting my way into a bag at the moment. Well, they're not small pins,
No,
are they?
they're not.
I mean,
That's why they needed a little guide start. Okay, so there's some gloves, the scarf. So I'm guessing that's the order. Once we find out where these go,
yeah.
that must be the order that the numbers are in. That's green, that's green.
Yeah, that's greenish-ish.
Green little dots there, aren't they? So do you
Yeah.
think that means the stars?
I don't know.
There's not a lot to get started with, is there?
No.
Is it the stars? Are we correct, in the cockpit. But where is the cockpit? Haven't you been there before? Oh, so it must be one of the days that we've done, not that one. They're right, we have been in a cockpit, but I can't remember which day it was. There we go. Oh look, yeah, they're like the
Okay.
on the clue we've got that, and we have found in the cockpit those three.
Yeah. Well, I can't get in there. That's ridiculous.
Okay, try not to stab my own fingers.
Yeah. And then these go in there, do they?
Yes, but I'm guessing because these little bits of clothes have got things on them, so
Yeah.
well, does it have to go from the other side? Let's have a look at the other side, because now I've poked the holes. Let's see if it's on numbers or anything on the other side of that.
Yeah. Look,
So do
there's
they-
a clothes rack as well.
Okay, so cool, blimey. I see why Buffy the Vampire Slayer had so much trouble.
Oh, look.
Trousers are in the
Look, look,
middle.
look, look.
Yeah, trousers are in the middle.
Yeah. That's good. I like that one.
166.
Yeah.
So we've gone for that order, and there is a little clothes rack under there, and they're pointing at those numbers. Oh,
Yeah.
Kai. Oh, you little sugar. Is that the most fun game ever? I think it's 166. Do you concur?
Okay. Well, let's try it.
Okay. Yes! And we only needed a little bit of help.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that is. Hang on. I think I got it, but just in case I want to focus.
It's quite impressive.
That is good.
Yeah.
We only needed a little bit of help to find where we stuck things. Ha! That's day 22.
Yep. That's where Tooth Fairy is.
Yeah, how
Yeah.
do you know that? We have been out and run loads of errands. We've done our Christmas shop this morning. Mum is going to go and walk the dog before the sun goes down. And what are you up to this afternoon, Papa?
Well, my favourite magazine's arrived.
Ah, A Gardener's World?
I may be looking at that.
Uh-huh.
I'm not sure.
Okay. I am going to get the piping tutorial done because I want it up before Christmas, and the plan is for it to be up tomorrow. So wish me luck with that.
Right.
Okay. Keep forgetting to press record. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this, but the kittens are unhappy with each other, and Kai's not here to break the tie, so Max is chasing Izzy around the front room. That was a flying Max. Hello, baby. I have my Black Forest Gatto hot chocolate, which is absolutely my favourite. It's absolutely delicious, so very pleased about that. I've given Dad my 70% that you will see tomorrow in the calendars. Filming out of order is the funnest of things. But yes, I am up here. I have still got my dress on underneath this, and I think, let me check, because the vote will have finished now. So let me see what the Patreon peeps voted for my Christmas Day dress. I think it's... Oh, you two, stop it! Hey, babies! Okay, I'm going to sort this out because otherwise there's going to be bloodshed. I've separated them and now they immediately want to get back together and fight. What was I saying? I can't remember what I was saying. I'm going to get on with editing the piping tutorial video because I would really like that up this side of Christmas, and the idea is to have it up tomorrow, and you guys will probably be seeing 2 days of calendars, days 21 and 22 together on Monday, because my other plan is with the piping video is to put all the mini tutorials up first and then the long one up last on the same day. That's what I would like to get to, so I'm going to finish this, enjoy it, make myself some lunch, and then get on with all of the editing because there is a lot to do. So it's been a productive day so far, but yeah, lots and lots left to do.
A few moments later.
I've remembered this would help. I've remembered what I was supposed to be doing. I was looking up to see which of the combos has won, and it is the kitty cats and the orange French Terry. The cats are now outside just growling at each other. They're just going to do that regardless. Yeah, I'm excited. So I get to make another one of these, which is awesome because this was actually really fun to do. And I have a few tweaks to make to it that I think might make it slightly easier, less pattern matching for the next version. We shall see. So that's the next one that I'm going to get it cut out. I am going to get on with all the drink my hot chocolate, make myself some lunch, then get on with all the editing. Okay, I will see you in a bit. Two finished NCWs. You happy with them?
Yes, thank you.
Love them.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
It's been fun making them.
Yes, it's been great fun making them.
Mum and I have just come back from doing a little bit of shopping, and we have lots of people helping us, but we appear to have brought back gremlins. You're right in the way, my love. Oh, look. It is in his jacka. I feel like you're having more fun with this than you perhaps should, but who am I to judge? You little weirdo. She a little weirdo, isn't she, Max Moosh? Yes. Max thought it looked like so much fun that he is now shopping. You're a little larger than your sister. Just a little bit. You make good shopping. No? Okay. Maximus, how is this comfortable? Can you please explain? I'm not sure your neck should be bent this way. You weirdo. Are you ignoring me? How is that comfy? Well, apparently you are, so I'll leave you be.